Want to make your text pop and captivate your audience? In this video, we are diving into the advanced typography block from Nextblocks. Perfect for adding dynamic text effects like circular layout, blend modes, marquee animation, and much more to your WordPress site. Whether you are aiming to highlight key messages or enhance your site's visual appeal, I'll guide you through setting it up without any coding. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblock Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblock Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the advanced typography block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for Advanced Typography. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of Advanced Typography block from Nextblocks. In the Typography tab, you have to select the text type. You can select a normal text to add a single line of text, or you can select multiple line of text, where you can add different styles to a text, creating an impression of adding multiple styles in a single line of text. We'll see that option later in this video. So let's focus on normal for now. In the content field, you have to add the text. Then from the link field, you can add a link to this text. From the alignment, you can align the text for responsive devices. From the text direction tab, you can align the text vertically. From the vertical text, you can align the text left to right or right to left. Keep in mind, these two options will work if you have multi-line of text. If you enable the vertical letters toggle, text letters will be aligned vertically. Let's disable this. And from the vertical direction, you can change the text direction. From the circular text tab, you can create a circular text by enabling the circular text toggle like this. From the custom radius, you can change the text circle radius. From the reverse direction toggle, you can reverse the circle text. Then from the background blend mode tab, you can add a blend effect to this text by enabling the blend mode toggle. Keep in mind, this effect will work better if you have a background image. So let's see this example. Once you enable the blend mode toggle, you have to select the blend mode from the variations drop down. You can select different blend mode type. Then from the knockout text toggle, you can create a mask effect to the text. To do that, enable the knockout text toggle. Then from the background, we have to select an image. Then we'll see this mask effect. From here, you can adjust the background image properties. From the on hover image reveal tab, you can show image by hovering over the text. To do that, enable the hover image reveal toggle. Then in the upload image field, you have to add an image. Keep in mind, this option will work in the front end only, so you can't see the preview over here. From the select style section, you can select the reveal effect. Then from the marquee tab, you can add a marquee effect to the text. To do that, enable the marquee toggle. From the type section, you have to select the marquee type. You can select default. This will add marquee tag in this text, or you can use the on transition effect that will create the marquee effect using CSS. If you select the default option, from the direction, you can set the direction of marquee. From the behavior, you can change the behavior to scroll, slide, or alternate. Scroll, it will scroll, and slide effect, the text will slide. And alternate marquee will alternate left to right and right to left. From the loop, you can set the number of loop. If you want an infinite loop, then select 0 or -1. Then from the scroll amount, you can change the scrolling amount. From the animation duration, you can change the animation duration. From murky text width, you can change the width of the text. If you select on transition, you'll find these options: direction, animation duration, murky text width. So these are the options you will find if you select this normal option. For this normal option, you will find all the styling options required to customize this text in this style tab. From the advanced typography tab, you can adjust the typography of this text. You can change font family, font width, font size, text transform, font style, text decoration, line height, data spacing, or you can add global typography as well. You can adjust padding, you can add text color, you can even add gradient color, you can add text shadow. From the CSS filter, you can add CSS filters, you can add all these filters. Then from transform, you can add custom transform property over here. From transform origin, you can set the transform origin. You can adjust all these properties for normal and hover states. From the stroke fill tab, you can create a text outline effect. To do that, enable the stroke fill toggle and I will say this outline effect. From the stroke width, you can adjust the outline width. You can change the stroke color. You can even add gradient stroke color. You can add fill color as well for the text. You can adjust all these properties for normal and hover states. Then from the advanced underline tab, you can add underline effects to this text. From the select underline drop down, you have to select the effect. You can select classic. You can add underline effect, overline effect, line through effect like this. Then you can select the line style, line color as well. You can adjust all these properties for normal and hover states. If you select the overlay option, you can add unique overlay effects like this. From the overlay style, you can select different styles. For each style, you will find additional settings which you can adjust for normal and hover states. So now let's see multiple text option. So let's see this example. Once you select multiple option from the content, you have to use these repeater items to create your text. Let's see the options you will find here. In the content, you can add the text content. The link, you can add a link to that particular text. From ARIA level, you can add an ARIA level to improve the accessibility of the text. Then in the extra option section, you can add stroke fill option, you can add blend mode, you can add knockout text, on over measurable effect, murky effect, which you have seen in the normal option divided in separate tabs. You will find all those in individual repeater items. Then from the continuous animation tab, you can add animation effect. You can add pulse, floating, tossing, different types of effects. You can enable the animation on hover effect. So the animation will play on mouse over only. You can set the duration from the duration time field. Again, you can add advanced underline effect from here as well. You can select none, classic or overlay, which we saw in normal option in the style tab. Then from the typography style, you will find individual styling option for each repeater item. From here, you can adjust typography. You can add padding. You can add advanced style like text width, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment. Then you can adjust the text color, or you can add gradient color, text shadow, CSS filter, transform for normal and hover states. Since these options are individually added to these repeater items, you can add multiple style to this text like we have added over here. For this text, we have added this fill effect to create a unique style in this text. You can click on the add text button to add more repeater items, to add more text. For this multiple option, you will find only one styling option in the style tab. If you want to set overall style of all this text at once, you can do that from the style tab. You can adjust typography, padding, text color, or you can add gradient color, text shadow, CSS filter, transform for normal and hover states. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the advanced typography block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.